Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, gold did end up pushing up this morning, like I said. I thought it was a little bit of a risky trade, to be trading discounted trend, but we did say this morning that this was likely going to be an ABC, running ABC, which would make a lower high, or possibly an expanding ABC, which would make a higher high than the previous wave A. If it's a running ABC, I would look for these Fibonacci clusters. I have Fibonacci extension on the wave A. I also have Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. So we have the 123% Fibonacci retracement extension lined up with the 38% Fibonacci retracement for a possible running flat. Or we perhaps would be looking at like the 178 Fibonacci extension or the 61% Fibonacci retracement for a more likely expanding flat. And expanding flats can also extend to the 261, 278, which would potentially put you all the way up there. So we definitely got three areas to watch out. Look for the end of a trend in one of these three areas to identify the end of a wave C and hopefully the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.